today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a symbol in MetaTrader 5. If your symbol list in MetaTrader 5 has become cluttered with instruments you no longer use, cleaning it up can make your trading environment a lot easier to work with. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the simple process of removing a symbol from your watch list step by step. First, make sure you're logged into MetaTrader 5 and that you can see your list of symbols, usually in the Market Watch or a similar panel on the side of your screen. This is where all the instruments like currency pairs, indices, commodities, or other assets are displayed. Take a moment to locate the specific symbol you want to delete or hide. It's important to choose carefully, especially if you're actively trading, so you don't accidentally remove something you still need. Once you've identified the symbol you'd like to remove, move your mouse pointer over that symbol in the list. Now perform a right click on it. This right click action will open a context menu with several options related to that symbol. Right-clicking is your main way of accessing quick symbol settings in MetaTrader 5, so you'll use this method a lot when managing your list. In the menu that appears after you right-click, look for the option that says Hide or Delete, depending on how it's labeled in your version or layout. This option is specifically there to let you remove that symbol from the visible list. Go ahead and click on Hide or Delete. As soon as you do that, the symbol will disappear from your list, helping to keep your workspace more organized and focused on the instruments you actually trade. If you later realize you still need that symbol, you can usually bring it back by opening the Symbols or Instruments window and making it visible again. So don't worry too much if you make a mistake. This process is generally reversible from the platform's symbol management settings. That's all there is to it. Right-click on the symbol you no longer want to see, then select the Hide or Delete option from the menu. With just those quick actions, you can keep your MetaTrader 5 environment clean, efficient, and tailored to your trading style.